Today is another beautiful day in Bali. We've just made a 20-minute motorbike ride over to Tegallalang Rice Terrace, which is also Secking Rice Terrace. It's like trekking, so you go up and down the rice terrace. Follow us somewhere back there. Just got the drone started, but we're making our way up. It's absolutely beautiful already, so can't wait to see more. Finished at the rice terrace, and we were actually going to walk to another one that's in this area, but it's just so hot that we stopped at a cafe and we got some cold drinks. So I got a lemon splash. I thought it was going to be lemonade, but it kind of tastes like sugar water. Paulo got a mango juice, and then we got a banana split to share. It all looks so good. I'm gonna somehow drink this sugar water. Maybe squeeze the lime that's on top into it because it needs more lemon. But we are just enjoying this view of the rice terrace. This is an absolutely beautiful place. We're just sitting in like this traditional mat looking at this rice terrace, and it's absolutely beautiful. We're just having a good time staying semi-cool under the shade of this little hut thing. So yeah, we gonna drink our drinks.
After enjoying some time in that little canopy area or like table, we are now gonna head over to a coffee plantation. So time to get back on the scooter and head over there.
We've now just come to a coffee plantation. We'll leave the name down here for you, but the tour guide just walked us through the whole plantation, showing us different beans, the luwak animal, which they use to make luwak coffee. It's a very popular thing here. So the luwak animal eats coffee beans and then poops them out, and they process that poop, which looks essentially like a big blob of coffee beans. They process that, and then they make a coffee out of it, and it's apparently very popular. We're about to get a cup of it, but at the end of the tour, we get 14 different coffees and teas to try for free. So we are making our way down the row of teas and coffees, and so far they have all been good, except the ginger's just a little bit too strong for me, but loving it so far.
So far, I'm enjoying this one, which is the mangosteen tea. I'm gonna drink that one completely. I like the lemongrass, the pandan tea right here.
The curcuma tea, which is turmeric, is actually pretty good. And then the roselle tea as well. The ginger tea is very spicy though. It has a kick.
Vanilla coffee.
They also serve it with tapioca chips.
Vanilla coffee, I love it.
Indonesia is actually home to the largest Muslim population in the world, with about 80% of the population being Muslim. But Bali, which is part of Indonesia, is primarily Hindu, most of the temples here are Hindu temples like the one we're at right now. After the coffee plantation, we headed back towards town and we stopped for some food. It was recommended to get the duck, which is what I got, and then Paulo got chicken, and it was basically like self-serve rice and veggies. It was really good and very cheap for the both of us. For our meals plus water and tea was about $6 US. After we ate, we came over to Tegenungan Waterfall, and right off the bat, you get this beautiful overlook of the waterfall, and then we're actually about to walk down to the base of the waterfall to go see it from up close. Here you only pay 30,000 rupiah per person, so just a couple bucks for the both of us to get in here. So yeah, let's head down to the waterfall. Well, things didn't go exactly as planned. We did have other things that we were planning on doing tonight, but Paulo got stopped by the Indonesian police because he wasn't wearing his helmet, so he ended up having to bribe a police officer out of the ticket. So that took a little bit of time. I did end up getting coffee, and then we came back to the hotel, kind of freshened up a little bit, and then came to a warung to get some food. I got the satay. It comes with the satay, a little bit of like a salad, rice, and then the peanut sauce. So it looks so good. I'm gonna take it. Very good. And Paulo just got his, it's basically like a chicken fried rice. His looks really good. Mine is delicious. We're gonna dig in, but we're actually gonna call it a night. So we'll see you next week. We have more things planned, more days here in Bali. So stay tuned for the next video. We hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, go ahead and like the video. Let us know your favorite part, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to keep adventuring.